Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you on a journey through some incredible foods that can help heal your body. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's dive right in. First up, we have turmeric. This golden spice is packed with anti-inflammatory properties thanks to its active ingredient, curcumin. It not only helps in reducing inflammation but also boosts brain function and lowers the risk of brain diseases. Next on the list is garlic. Known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties, garlic can help improve heart health by reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Plus, it adds a delicious kick to your meals. Let's talk about berries. Blueberries, strawberries and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants and vitamins. They help fight oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and can even improve memory. Green tea is another powerhouse. It's rich in antioxidants and has been shown to boost metabolism, enhance brain function, and lower the risk of cancer. A warm cup of green tea can be a great addition to your daily routine. Now, let's focus on ginger. This root has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It's great for digestion, reducing nausea, and can even help in managing muscle pain. Avocado is next. Packed with healthy fats, fiber, and various nutrients, avocados are excellent for heart health. They can also help in reducing inflammation and promoting skin health. Don't forget about leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They support bone health, improve digestion, and boost immune function. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel and sardines, are high in omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential for heart health, reducing inflammation and supporting brain function. Next, we have nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds and flax seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein and fiber. They help improve heart health, support weight management and provide a multitude of nutrients. Olive oil is another fantastic food. It's high in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which help in reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of heart disease. Drizzle it on your salads or use it in cooking for a healthy boost. Let's not forget about sweet potatoes. They are high in fiber, vitamins and minerals. Sweet potatoes can help regulate blood sugar levels, improve digestion, and boost eye health. Finally, we have dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants and can improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and even boost brain function. Just make sure to choose chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content. There you have it, folks. 12 powerful foods that can help heal your body. Add these to your diet and watch the magic happen. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.